Cracking the Code of Indirect Questions, using question words. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our video series on English language learning. Today, we're diving into an intriguing part of the English language, indirect questions. In this video, we'll focus on how to use question words in forming indirect questions. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Indirect questions are a polite and formal way to ask for information. Instead of being direct like, "Where is the museum?" we might say, "Could you tell me where the museum is?" These forms can come in handy in formal or polite conversations. To form an indirect question, we often begin with an introduction phrase, then add the question word, and finally the statement that represents the question. In indirect questions, question words act as the bridge between the introduction phrase and the rest of the question. They are vital for indicating the type of information you're asking for. Here are some common ones. Who for people, what for things or information, where for places, when for time, why for reasons, how for methods or conditions. Let's explore how we can use these question words in our indirect questions. 1. Who? Do you know who the author of this book is? 2. What? Can you tell me what the time is? 3. Where? Could you inform me where the conference room is? 4. When? I was wondering when the meeting starts. 5. Why? Do you happen to know why the event was canceled? 6. How? Could you explain how this machine works? Remember, the trick is to ensure that the second part of your indirect question, after the question word, should be in statement form, not a direct question. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on using question words in indirect questions. Remember, these are crucial tools in your English conversation arsenal, especially when you need to ask something in a more polite or formal manner. Keep practicing and you'll master it in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson. Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Happy learning!